student. Hello students. We already started in Maths 1 first chapter linear equations in two variables in last video. We already seen equation, what is linear equation, definition, the general form of linear equation, then identification of linear equations, the steps to be followed when we solve the equations, and then in 1.1 we have seen first sum. Okay, now we will start second solution. Solve the simultaneous equation, page number 5 in your textbook. Okay, so 5 नंबरच्या टेक्स्टबुक मधून आपण सॉल्व करणार आहोत exercise 1.1 second sum. Okay, in second, first one is equation 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Again same thing, you write one below other. A plus 5b, a plus 5b is equal to 22. Okay, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, your first equation. A plus 5b is equal to 22, your second equation. Okay, now we already seen the conditions, terms and condition when we solve the example. What is the condition for solving the example? काय conditions होत्या? तर coefficient same करायचे. Coefficient should be same. Now see here also, the coefficients of A is 3, coefficients of A in second equation is no coefficient, that is 1. Okay, so these are similar, but in second term, that is the equation 1, variable B has coefficient 5. Same thing in second equation, the coefficient of B is 5, that is the same coefficients are there in both the equations. Okay, so no need, no required to make the same coefficients, that is V step 1 is already done. Okay, now in second condition, that is in second step, we observe the sign of the coefficients. Okay, if what is the sign, condition? If the signs are same, what we do? If the signs are same, then we should always subtract second equation from 1. Here the signs are same, so we subtract the equation. So therefore subtracting equation 2 from 1. काय करायचं आपल्याला इथे? सेकंड इक्वेशन सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं आहे फ्रॉम 1 मधून. अंडरस्टँड? नाउ सी अगेन यू राइट द इक्वेशन, बोथ द इक्वेशन, दोन्ही इक्वेशन आपल्याला लिहायचे आहेत. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Then a plus 5b is equal to 22. Again you write one equation 1 and equation 2. Right? Now in between two equations, दोघांच्या मध्ये सबट्रॅक्ट करतोय आपण, म्हणजेच कुठली साइन येणार? मायनस. When we subtract the equations, जेव्हा आपण मायनस करणार आहोत तेव्हा we should change the sign of second equation, that is all terms. Okay, now see, for a here is a plus sign, so we change it minus. Same thing for b has plus, so it's minus. Again 22 minus. Okay, so all signs we change, minus minus minus. Now you see 5b plus and 5b minus, both are cancelled. Then go to a, 3a and minus 1a, that is 3 minus 1, 2, 2a. Same thing, 26 minus 22, how many? 4. So 2a is equal to 4. Then a is equal to 4 upon 2, this 2 from this side always denominator. Okay, so 2 upon 4 upon 2 always 2, so a is 2, the value of a is 2. Right? Now what we do? Remember, This the value of A we put in any equation which are easier to us. So we put this value of A in equation 2. So write down place A is equal to 2 in equation 2. What is the second equation? A plus 5B is equal to 22. काय है? A plus 5B is equal to 22. We are putting the value of A, that is 2 plus 5B is equal to 22. 2 always goes this side, so it should be minus. काय झाले? Minus झाले. Therefore 5B is equal to 22. Always B is equal to 20 upon this 5, that is 4. What is the answer? B is equal to 4. Then how you write the answer? The solution is always first term is A, second term is B. So in bracket A and B is equal to A comma B is equal to 2 and 4. Bracket is complete. 2 comma 4. Don't forget this comma. Otherwise this will be 24. Okay. So 2 comma 4. This is our solution of this equation. Always put it into the box. Okay. This is our one sum we already solved. Go to the next sum. Next one is now again you write down both the equations as it is, that is one below the other. What is your first equation? X plus 7y is equal to 10, that is 1. Second one is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7, that is 2. Now what we do? That is the coefficients make same. Now see here. For x in equation 1, coefficient is 1. In equation 2, coefficient is 3. So both are dissimilar. Same thing go to y. Again the variable of y 7. Y is minus 2. Here also dissimilar. But when we making the same similar, it is quite easy to make the variable coefficients of x is similar. So multiply equation 1 by 3. Okay, what is your first equation? X plus 7y is equal to 10. Multiply into 3. So it goes 3x. What is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. 3x plus 7y is equal to 10. Multiply into 3. So 3 into 1, that is 3x. 3 into 7, that is 21 is equal to 30. That is the first equation. Okay, this is your first equation now. 3x plus 21y is equal to 30. Now second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now coefficient of x are same. Now what we remind the sign. Here both are plus plus. That is same sign. If signs are same, what we do? Subtract. So subtracting equation 2 from 1. So again you write 3x plus 21y is equal to 30. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. काय करायचं आपल्याला? दोन इक्वेशन पुन्हा एका खाली एक लिहून घ्यायची आहे आणि साइन मायनस इज in between 2. Okay. Now when the subtracts with both the equations, we must change the sign. So 3x has plus, is minus. Here minus plus and plus is minus. Okay. Now see plus 3 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 so it get cancelled. Plus 21 plus 2y. Don't count this minus. So plus 21 and 2, 23y. Okay. Same thing 30 minus 7, that is 23. So 23y is equal to 23. So y is equal to 23 upon this 23, that is 1. So what is the value of y? 1. Okay. Clearly y की value 1. So we put this value in any equation. So place the value of y in equation 2. In equation 2. What is the second equation? Second equation काय आपलं 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay. So 3x minus 2 into the value of y is 1 is equal to 7. So 3x minus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 7. Okay. This minus 2 goes that side. So always plus. So 3x is equal to 7 plus 2. 3x is equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 upon 3, that is 3. What is the value of x? X is equal to 3. When we write the solution, it's same as it is, that is first x and then y, that is x, y is equal to 3 and 1. This is the solution of this equation. This is our next sum. Now we go to next sum. I think you will solve third, fourth and fifth because the similar procedure is there. But here the quite different one. It is quite difficult. So we will take this one. Okay. So it is sixth one. What is sixth one? 1 upon 3x plus 1y is equal to 10 upon 3. Now see, 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 1y is equal to 10 upon 3. 1 upon 1, that is only 1y. So it is, you should write 1 upon 1. Okay. Second equation is 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Here, so we make the similar, that is LCM. Take out LCM. So 3 into 1, that is 3. Okay. So what is cross multiplication? 1 ones are 1, that is 1x. Okay. 3 into 1, that is 3y. And 3 into 1, that is 3 is equal to 10 upon 3. Understood? Same thing here also. 4 2s are 8 because 4 ones are 1 LCM. 4 2s are 8. Cross multiplication 1 ones are 1, that is 1y, and 4 ones are 4 is equal to 11.4. Now बघा इक्वेशन दोन्ही इक्वेशनचं आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनला बघितलं तर या ठिकाणी 3 आहे डिनॉमिनेटरला, इथे सुद्धा 3 आहेत. ओके. सो these 3 and 3 get cancelled. Same thing in second equation also, 4 and 4 denominator, so both cancel. So what is the equation? First equation is x plus 3y is equal to 10. That is the first equation. Okay. Same thing, second equation, 8x plus 1y is equal to 11. This is our second equation. Okay. Now we solve this equation. So what is the steps? First, we remember both the equations, we write one below the other. Understand? First, 1x plus 3y is equal to 10. That is the first equation. What is your second equation? 8x plus 1y is equal to 11. That is your second equation. Okay. Now see, here also, see the coefficients. Coefficient of x here, first in first equation coefficient is 1, in second equation coefficient is 8. बघितलं इथे x चा coefficient आहे 1, second equation मध्ये x चा coefficient आहे 8. ओके. बोथ आर नॉट सेम, दॅट इज डिसिमिलर. सेम आहेत का हे? नाही. Then see the variable y. Coefficient of y is 3 in first equation, coefficient of y is 1 second equation. Okay. Here also dissimilar, not same. But when we make the same, it is quite easy to make the same variable coefficient in y. Okay. So multiply equation 2 by 3 and we make similar coefficient of variable y. आपण y चे coefficient सेम करूया, म्हणून आपण सेकंड इक्वेशनला कितीने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल आपल्याला? 3 ने. तेव्हा 3y येऊ शकतात. ओके. Then see the second equation, 8x plus 1y is equal to 3. Multiply whole equation by 3, that is 3 into 8, 24x plus 3 into 1, 3y is equal to 11 3 are 33. That is our second equation. We made second equation 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. So this when we make the same, that is first one is first 1x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 10 and 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. 3y same and signs are same. Just you see. Okay. So we subtract. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Again you write both the equation. 1x plus 3y is equal to 10. 24x plus 3y is equal to 33 as usual. Okay. Minus sign. Again change the sign. So it should be minus minus minus. Then here 3y get cancelled. 3y cancel झाले. Minus 24 and 1x is minus 23x and minus 33 that is minus 23. Minus minus sign both are same, so get cancelled. So it should be 23x equal to 23. Then the value of x is 23 upon 23, that is 1. So x is equal to 1. Same thing, the value of x in equation 1. Put in any equation. X plus 3y is equal to 10. 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. 3y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 3. Then the solution of this equation is 1 and 3. Again you make the box. Okay. Understood? Now go to 7th sum. 7th and 8th both are same method. So now we will start solve 7th one. Okay. So what is your 7th one? 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 and second equation is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Okay. Now you observe both the equations. When you observe the coefficient of y in equation 1 is same coefficient of x in equation 2. Same thing, the 9x of 1 is same x or y of second. That is cross coefficients are same. When this condition is occur, then we add both the equation first and then make the find out third equation. Again you subtract both the equations, find out fourth one. So adding both the equation 1 and 2. Right? As usual, first equation 99x plus 101y 499. Second equation लिहायचा आहे 101x plus 99y equal to 501. Addition, so no change the sign. Directly you write down 101 plus 99 200x. Same sign, so 200y and this 1000 divided by 200, it gets x plus y equal to 5. Very easy equation we got, that is equation number 3. Then we subtract equation 2 from 1. As usual you write down both the equations. Minus sign is there. You change the sign of second equation. दुसऱ्या समीकरणाचे आपण sign change करायचे आहे. 101 minus 99 म्हणजेच काय होणार 2 येणार पण 101 ची sign minus, so right minus. Same thing here also, plus 101, so plus 2y and here minus 2. So divided by 2, that is you make minus x plus y is equal to minus 1, that is the fourth one. Okay, now we got third equation x plus y is equal to 5, fourth equation minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. Here also x the coefficient same, signs are dissimilar, so adding equation 3 and 4, very easy to solve this. X plus y is equal to 5 minus x plus y is equal to minus 1, x cancel, 1y 2y is equal to 5 minus 1 4, so we get y is equal to 2. Put the value of y in equation third. Any one equations we can put. X plus y is equal to 5, so x plus 2 is equal to 5, we get x equal to 3. What is the value? X equal to 3. So the solution of equation x y is equal to 3 and 2, that is our answer. And here we finish 1.1 exercise. Okay, You solve again and again. Make it practice and subscribe the video and like it please, and wait for next video.